Hello, my name is Karol and I'm a travel photographer. Yesterday I've been asked by my friend about something which for many of you might seem quite basic, but for those who don't travel too often is quite a struggle. I'm talking about buying plane tickets online and getting the best offers. For those of you who are already good at doing this on your own, please stay till the end. We will share some tricks and tips on how we getting the best deals for ourselves. This video will start a series of short travel tutorials. I hope we can keep it consistent, and if you have any questions to ask, please leave them in comments. So now I'm planning on buying tickets for my friend, so follow me in this process. To get the best tickets, I'm using a search engine. It's a place where you can compare different airlines and different offers. I'm using Skyscanner. I just found it to be the best for myself. So I have already the destination and the departure date. So let's put it here. He will fly from Warsaw and his destination is Rome. His departure time will be 16th. Okay, let's search the flight. This will take a minute. The search engine is comparing the best prices and sorting them for you to quickly find the best offer. And for me, it will be Wizz Air. Comparing to others is significantly cheaper, and it takes only 2 hours 25 minutes, so it's a direct flight. I'm choosing it. Here I can see different travel agencies. They have different prices for their tickets. They obviously have to give some additional costs for their service. And my job here is done. I found the airline which is providing the best ticket for this day, so I'm going to its website. And let's find this flight. So it goes from Warsaw, and its destination is Rome. Departure on 16th, and let's take it only for one way. I will explain it later. Search. Now here on this website we can buy our tickets. After choosing it, we have 3 different options. We're planning on traveling light, so we're choosing the first option. Yes, this is our flight. The website will ask you several times to upgrade your ticket, and if you don't need to, don't do it. This is the best way to save your money. Let's put the name. No, free carry-on bag is enough for me, and I can continue with this. At this point, we can choose our seats. Remember that most of the airlines will ask you an additional fee to choose your seats now. So if you can wait till your check-in 24 hours before departure, just do it. And this is what I will do. Once again, the airline wants to offer us something more and avoid it for all costs. Alright, and at this point, you can put your card details and pay for your ticket. I promise you that this is the best price you could get for this day. Here I got a few tips for you how to get your tickets even cheaper. First, be flexible. Avoid public holidays and traveling when everyone else is traveling. If you already have a destination in your mind, set a price alert on your search engine and get informed whenever something cheaper comes up. Buying last-minute tickets isn't always the cheapest option, but it often is, so consider this too. 2. Join the club. Collect miles and exchange them to upgrades and cheaper or even free flights. 3. Search ticket prices as one person. I'm not sure why it's like this, but you can get a better deal when you buy twice one ticket comparing to if you buy 2 tickets at once. 4. Don't always fly direct. Don't be afraid of taking a connecting flight instead of direct one. I take a 2-hour window as a short break to get a cup of coffee, use bathroom, and stretch my legs. And finally 5. Book connecting flights by yourself for less. If you're flying somewhere that involves a transfer, consider that it might be cheaper to book these 2 flights separately on your own by adding another destination to your trip. Layovers longer than 24 hours aren't shown by the search engine as a connecting flight. So if you're flexible enough, you can save some cash and see more. Just remember to have a valid visa to a country you want to visit this way. Alright, this is the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. Like it if you like it, subscribe if you haven't already. Now I gotta tell my friend about his tickets. See you in the next one. Are you sure you said June, not May?